Welcome to One Lisa Show. It's Friday Sews episode, and my name is Lisa. Thanks for watching and coming along and clicking on this video. If you do like it, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a like, or subscribing if you haven't done so already. Today's November 12th, 2021, and this Friday, 2 days ago, it was 60 degrees here in Indiana. Today it's like 45, and we just had a sleet storm. It's wild. So I am wearing the Freya sweater by Tilly and the Buttons. It's just in a nice, easy knit fabric. It is in their stretch book. It's my favorite pattern of all time. And I love it so much, I want to make my mom one for her birthday. So my mom I don't think my mom watches my YouTube videos, but my sisters may. So if my sisters or my nieces are watching this video, don't tell mom, don't tell grandma, but I'm going to show you the fabric I got. My mom's birthday is this month. I want to make her the same Freya, but I found some beautiful art gallery knit fabric on fabric.com. And so I ordered it and it came in yesterday, and look, it is gorgeous. Green is my mom's favorite color, and it's a very high quality medium weight knit fabric. And I just think it's stunning, and I think my mother would love it. And I got 2 yards of it, so it'll be definitely more than enough to make a mock turtleneck Freya. And actually there'll probably be some left over that I could use to color block or even incorporate into a whole nother shirt for my nieces. I'm certain there will be enough. My mom is so tiny. Yeah, very nice. I need to wash this still, but it's just a gorgeous array of greens, and with that being her favorite color, I was very drawn to it, and I think she'll like it. This week, I got a lot of sewing done. I can't wait to share with you. I finished both pairs of corduroy pants, and I delivered my niece's pair to her on Sunday, and Saturday I finished the corduroys that were for me. I'm wearing them today. I'm going to try to take a picture. I'm going to try to remember to take a picture and insert it in this video. But they're a little baggy, but I do like them. Actually, I think this winter they'll come in handy because they are a little baggy and they're corduroy, so they're going to be super soft and comfy. But my thinking is a lot of times in the winter I do wear long johns underneath my pants because I'll be out all day or I'm walking and I need that extra warmth. So that them being a little baggy, I think, will not be an issue. Plus I wear boots and I'll be bundled up when I go show houses. So even if I'm wearing them on an appointment, it's going to be fine. I don't think it's too noticeable. I'll insert a picture because you really can't see here, but the waistband is a little loose. But I have my lovely, with a belt, it just looks bunched. It is complete Meg Ryan fall. Complete hashtag Meg Ryan fall. Not with this. I think if I was wearing a cream colored sweater and then like a blazer over it, it would be Meg Ryan fall. But the corduroys are very on trend, I think, right now for fall. The other thing I've done, I got done with these pants and right away I thought I have to make my other niece pants. So this is the same pattern that I've been working on. It is Simplicity 9393, and this is a rack purchase, so it has a rack number on it. But these pants are awesome. I want a pair for myself. I say it in every video since I bought them. Simple elasticated waist and patch pockets, which I love. I've altered it in the way I've done it. I don't do the waistband how the pattern instructions say. They basically say fold the waistband in half and sew it to the pants and then press it down and serge it or zigzag, and I don't like that. I like a nice clean finish, so I've been doing it how my Closet Core Carolyn pajamas are. Very simple, where you kind of fold under and stitch in the ditch so you're hiding all your seams. The other difference I also do on these pants is I fell flat the inner leg seam, and I don't think you can see it. I'm going to show you the pants actually, and I line the patch pockets. So here are her pants. Unicorn fabric, it's a quilting cotton, and it's lined with the bottle green gingham scrap that I had, and the Auntie Lisa Loves You label. But yes, the inside leg seam is fell flat. I hope I'm saying that right. I sewed it. I did a fell flat seam. I hope I said that right. It does work out great, and I serged everything on the inside or encased it so there's no raw edges. When you're a little girl, comfort is everything. I finished those up, I think yesterday. I was very proud of them. And then today I took the morning off and went to Joann's because I needed fabric. And they had a sale, and they had all their Christmas prints 50% off. And if you have seen Kim Gaddy Sews or Simply Delilah, they're holding a challenge, and it's called I'm So Festive. I watched their videos the other day, both of them back to back, and I was just drawn. I'm sucked in. I do love Christmas. I don't do a lot of Christmas sewing. I'm still in, back to sewing kind of newbie. But since I knew that Joann's had a sale and they had their Christmas fabrics 50% off, I went and got a nice quilting cotton that they have so many Christmas fabrics right now, and Hanukkah fabrics, and seasonal like autumn fabrics. It's hard not to get drawn in. So this is a simple quilter's cotton. It was $9.99 regular price, so I got it for $5 a yard. And I got the rest of the bolt, which was about 2.5 yards. I'm going to make something with it. It's either going to be since I have about 2.5, I may have enough to make a dress, a simple gathered dress, or definitely a button-down shirt. But we'll see. I'm going to think about it, but this is for my I'm So Festive. Can't wait to talk about that more. I have a couple of things up my sleeve for that, but it's cute. It's a simple quilting cotton. It has a nice feel. It's a blue wood background with cookies, Christmas cookies on it, right up my alley because I love to bake, and every Christmas, well, I'll save that story. For when if I get an opportunity to really talk about I'm So Festive, because I have offered to be an ambassador and do a video specifically on that. So more to that later, hopefully. I also got some navy blue flannel, solid navy blue flannel, and the camera's not going to like this. So it looks like a cobalt. It might not match up, but it is just a simple navy blue flannel. I got some of that to make my niece another pair of pants because she wants navy blue. And it will be the same pull-ons because they like that. It's easy for them, and to me, I want them. So of course I agree. The other thing was Simplicity and Quick Sew patterns at Joann's this weekend. I think until tomorrow, Saturday, are $1.99. It's not their best price. Their best price is usually 99 cents. But I needed a pattern. I have a list of Simplicity patterns that I keep with me in case they're on sale for 99 cents. So today at $1.99, I only bought the one I needed, and that was 9127, which is Pajama Pants. I showed Big Daddy, my boyfriend, the picture last night, and he agreed those will work for his. I'm making us matching pajamas out of some Christmas themed flannel bed sheets, and I think that is in my November plans video. So stay tuned because my November plans video should be out like any day. And I do talk about and show that fabric. I think that's it for sewing. I'm sorry, I'm not expecting that. So yeah, I did the pants, corduroy pants for the girl, corduroy pants for me. I finished those up. I made the unicorn pants. I also started cutting out my Hovea cropped quilt jacket from Megan Nielsen. I'm looking forward to that. It's going to match my dog Penny's little closet core dog coat. Oh, my plans this weekend. I don't know. I don't have plans. I want to work on that Hovea jacket. That's a lot of quilting. I plan to work on that, but part of me wants to make another dress for myself. And a quick dress, like a Freya a Freya dress version, and then I'm going to make my mom's birthday present. That's a lot. That's a lot, actually. And then hopefully this next week should be starting to ease up, and I can start working more and more on other Christmas related projects. Weather here is just a bear. We had rain yesterday. It was 65 2 days ago. And now it's 44 and sleet. It's here. The weather has changed. But that's part of it, right? That's what happens. That's Penny with her squeaker. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are in your part of the world. And thank you again for all the comments on my last video. I really appreciate it. I love all the feedback. I love all the suggestions for my hair too, by the way. I was supposed to get that looked at this week, my hair, to see if I had them long enough. And I didn't. I just worked a lot and did a lot of sewing. And there's nothing wrong with that. Right now I'm really happy to be home sewing when I get the opportunity. Yeah. Take care. Have a great weekend. And I hope to hear from you guys soon. That was her shaking it out and throwing her toy. She now throws her toy. Okay, that's enough of that. Enough of Miss Moneypenny. You guys have a great day. And if you are at the live stream for Beyond the Pink Door on Sunday, I will try to attend that as well. So I look forward to the chat. The chat is always a blast during Beyond the Pink Door's live stream when they're talking about fabric, because if you sew, you also love fabric. Bye, guys.